Hey guys, this is Mr. Terry Bullis, aka the Diabetes Life Coach, and we are here today to give you my very first recipe to help you fight the battle, fight the good fight against diabetes, and it is our low carb coleslaw. There we go. Hold the sugar and check this out. Look at the ingredients. It's actually pretty simple. Mayonnaise, some golden spicy brown mustard, some Bragg organic apple cider vinegar, some cracked peppercorn right there, and of course we got a bag of, this is tricolor coleslaw from Taylor Farms. Check this out. It's very low carb. It's only 5 carbohydrates per serving. There's 4.5 servings. So what's that? Like 22 and a half carbs in the whole thing. I was able to actually make 2 bowls of this. I've already eaten a bowl already. And no shame in eating a whole bowl of coleslaw because it's low carb. There's only about maybe 12 carbohydrates, 10 or 12 carbohydrates in the first bowl. And you got mayonnaise. Guess what? No carbs. Mustard. Check that out. No carbs. Apple cider vinegar. This is the good stuff. This stuff is so good. It has the mother in there. That's the stuff. You can shake it on up. Anyway, put a couple teaspoons of that in there. No carbs. So what you do is you take a couple spoons, maybe 3 spoonfuls of mayonnaise. Put that in the bowl first. You take a couple squeezes of this mustard. Maybe about 3 or 4 squeezes. Put that in the bowl. About 2 spoonfuls of the vinegar. Then you crack that peppercorn up in there. And you stir it around. You stir it on up. Then you put your cabbage or your coleslaw into there. And keep folding it into the mixture. For takes about a minute to make. And then you got your coleslaw right there. Now, guys, what you also can do, you can add some other things if you want, like Old Bay, maybe some other seasonings that you like, maybe some Creole spicy seasoning, you can put that in there. Because it's not going to be very much. It's very low carb. And this is something you can do. Cabbage, this I got on sale for like $1. I mean, what, maybe like 30 cents worth of condiments that go in there, 30, 40 cents. You got 2 bowls of this. You can feed your whole family of 4 or 5 or 6, whatever, as a side dish, or just eat it like I did. I just ate it by itself. It's delicious. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this little video, my very first video of my new diabetes life coaching, I guess my job. Yeah, anyway, very first video. Hope you guys like it. Try out the recipe. See ya. Bye-bye. Yummy.